Hello friends, today we are making cool coffee. For cool coffee, we need some full fat milk, cream milk and 3 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of coffee and some Vita sprinkles and 2-3 ice cubes. Let's start. In mixie, put full fat cream milk and then add some coffee into a water and mix it well. After mixing, add this coffee into mixer. Now add sugar. And then put ice and close the jar and start mixing. And after, put it into a glass. See, in this jar, it will like some bubbles. Then after, put it into a glass. Enough. After then, sprinkle with vita or oreo biscuit and etc. We are putting vita sprinkles.
Okay then.
Thank you friend for watching this video. Like, share and comment it. And subscribe us. Thank you. Goodbye.